Hi guys, Assalamu alaikum, Namaste, Sat Sri Akal. I hope you are doing great. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, we all love Selena Gomez. She is an inspirational celebrity. Recently, I really loved her stunning makeup look and fashion style at the Golden Globe 2023 red carpet. In my opinion, she was one of the best of that night. Today, I am going to be recreating that makeup look. I have worn a similar shade outfit. No, not like her strapless Valentino gown, but just to match the color of her sleeves. So I'll prepare my skin first, and for that I'm gonna apply this Clinique Moisture Search Cream all over my face. The moisturizer has a gel-like texture and it immediately feels so lovely and natural on the skin. It also absorbs into the skin quickly and easily without any greasiness or stickiness, leaving it feeling so soft and dewy. It makes my skin extremely nourished and smooth before applying makeup. After that, I am going to use my new The Inky List Caffeine Eye Cream. This cream contains caffeine which has antioxidant properties and helps target puffiness and dark circles. Other notable ingredients include squalene and hyaluronic acid for moisture. The texture is smooth and creamy, but it feels very lightweight on the skin, leaving it super hydrated. I'm also using this new Smashbox Photo Finish Revitalize 8-in-1 Primer Essence. It's a multi-purpose spray. I can use it as a primer and a setting spray. It's a very fine mist. As a setting spray, it leaves a beautiful glow and the makeup lasts a long time. And as a primer, it provides a noticeable glow to my skin. Now I'm just gonna apply this Smashbox Illuminator Primer. It makes my skin fresh, glowing and hydrated, and glow stays on for the day. My makeup lasts for the entire day. For foundation, I am going to be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. I am taking just a little amount of foundation and applying it all over my face in dots and going to blend it with my brush. I also use this beauty blender from Makeup Revolution. Now I'll set my eyebrows with this natural brow duo from Pixie Beauty. It's a brow pencil and gel combo that can shape and tame your unruly brows in no time. First I'm filling the gaps with the pencil and then setting them with the gel. Then I'm going to use this contour and highlight palette from K Beauty to lighten up my eyebrows. For this, I'm taking this matte highlighter shade in the brush and applying it on my brows to give them a slightly blonde touch. Now it's looking perfect. Next, I'll use my favorite Forever Skin Correct Full Coverage Concealer from Dior and applying a little bit on my lids as a base. Then I'm blending it with the blender. For eye makeup today, I'm going to be using this Mercury Retrograde palette from Huda Beauty and going to start with this soft brown shade called Karma, and I'll use it as the transition shade. I'm using my Rouge Bunny Rouge brush. This is one of my favorite brushes. I'm applying the shade above my crease and bringing it to my outer corner. I'm blending the edges with the brush from the inner to the outer corner. Then I am applying the same shade on my lower lash line with a thin brush from Sigma and blending everything out. Next I am gonna switch to a deep purple shade called Hot Mist and place it by pressing slowly to my outer corner with a small fluffy brush. Then slowly bringing the shade to my crease, and again I want to make sure I get the shade all the way into my inner crease. Then to the lower lash line as well. I'm using a thin brush for it. Then I'm blending everything out with a blending brush. Now I'm taking this lighter purple shade and going to blend right on top of that deep purple shade to help soften any edges. I'm doing the same thing with the lower lash lines. Next I'm taking this beige shade called Momentum and applying it on my lids and blending it with the deeper shades. Time to apply the eyeliner. I'm using this Lakme Absolute liquid eyeliner and applying a slightly thick liner like Selena. After that, I'll apply the mascara and I'm going to go with my favorite Superfan mascara from Smashbox. I'm applying it to my upper lashes and then lower lashes as well. And I'm just gonna apply some false lashes. Now coming to my face and I'll brighten and contour. So I'm using the same concealer from Dior and applying it a little bit under my eyes, on my cheeks, then on the corners of my lips, on the bridge of my nose and the center of my forehead. I'm blending everything with the blender. I want to keep everything looking natural like Selena. For contouring, I'm gonna go with the cream bronzer from Huda Beauty. I'm going to apply it with this brush from Rouge Bunny Rouge. This is an old brush, but I just love applying cream bronzer with it. This cream bronzer is amazing. It's just so easy to work with and it's so blendable. I'm blending it with the bronzer brush from the Body Shop. For setting my under eye concealer, I have this new Laura Mercier Secret Brightening Powder that I recently bought from Sephora. So this is the outer packaging of the powder and this is the powder. Comes in a small white jar with a black lid. I'm opening the cap and remove the plastic cover and took out the powder. I'm applying it with a small brush from Real Technique under my eyes to protect the concealer from creasing. Then removing it with the powder brush. The powder is so fine and you end up with this beautiful soft glowing skin and this sets my under eye beautifully. For blush, I wanted to apply this Daughter Earth purple blush, but when I saw her makeup carefully, I realized that she has applied a coralish blush on her cheeks. So I'm gonna use my new blush from the Balm. The shade is It's Date. Comes in such cute packaging. This is the outer box. And inside this is the blush. Comes in a book shaped packaging which is quite unique and I really love. And this is the actual product. It's peachy coral matte shade. Let me show you the swatch. And this is the blush shade. So beautiful and pretty. I love the shade. Now I'm applying the blush with a large brush and look at it, how gorgeous the shade is. The texture is smooth and silky and the finish is so natural and beautiful. I really love this blush. After blushing, I'll highlight my face. It won't be a Selena look without Rare Beauty. So I'm going to use my new Rare Beauty Positive Light Liquid Luminizer which comes in such a cute packaging. The shade I'm going to use is Mesmerize. When you open the lid, you find this cute applicator. This is how it looks on my hand. Mesmerize is a rose bronze shade, very soft and delicate shimmer. I'm applying 1-2 dots directly over the areas I want to add a touch of glow. High points of the cheeks, the bridge of my nose, brow bone, and the top of my lips. I'm blending with my finger. It's so easy to blend. It's made with a botanical blend of lotus, gardenia and white water lily. The formula is amazing and the finish is so soft and natural that it looks like you are beaming from the inside out. Isn't it? For lips, I am going to use this lip liner from Elizabeth Arden and making an outline, then smudge the line with a smudger. For lipstick, I am gonna go with these two lippies to achieve Selena's lip color. First, this one is from Shiseido and the second is from ColourPop. First, I am applying the Shiseido Modern Matte Powder Lipstick in shade Disrobed. And then the liquid lipstick from ColourPop over it. And that's perfect. I'm going to go in with some setting spray to set everything and I'm going to use Pixie Milky Mist and just going to go all over my face. My makeup is completed and now I have set my hair in a high ponytail like Selena. I'll finish this look by wearing a pair of beautiful silver earrings. And that's my completed look. So guys, I hope you have liked this Selena Gomez Golden Globe 2023 award inspired makeup look. What do you think about this makeup? Let me know in the comments. If you have liked this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.